y'all. So this is the model home of where I'm thinking about staying next year. I really like it. It's the living room. This is Dallas. It's gonna be our roommate next year. And she's like recording too. This is the kitchen, hallway, and then this is like one of the rooms. I like it a lot. It's really cute. And that is me. Yes. But we just got through signing the lease. So this is definitely where I'm staying. I like it a lot. That's Dallas again.
Dajah, come here.
What I do?
Look at this bed.
What? Oh, you talking about how it fit right there?
Yes.
That could, I don't know, girl.
Do you think this is the same size?
I don't know. I don't think so. Cause this is a 3. Oh wait, you live in a 2-bedroom, so yours should be bigger. But I don't know. Yeah, it's really nice. It looks big, don't it? But your room is about this big. I'm gonna keep you in home. Okay. Oh, that's cute.
This bathroom seems smaller than mine now.
Let me actually take pictures so I can send it to my mom. But yes, this is where I'm staying. So we now signed our lease
For next semester.
next semester. And yeah, we good.
We're gonna be sophomores.
Already. What? I was just a senior in high school last year. Huh? Now I'm about to be a sophomore. Huh? But yay, we finally signed our lease. I'm gonna go home.
I'm gonna whip in front of this car.
Probably do. Oh my gosh, I'm probably gonna take a nap. I'm gonna take a nap. That's what I'm gonna do. Cause it is raining. Like, it is legit raining outside. What?
It'll never rain this fall.
It barely rains in San Antonio, and I ain't got no umbrella.
You can take mine to your room.
No, it's fine. I can run. If I fall, oh well. You have a nice big umbrella too. That's where we were going to stay. Where is it? Where? That there.
It's gonna be a brand new furniture. And nobody done had sex on or some shit.
Yeah. I'm gonna take a nap.
You know what I need? I need memes, like funny pictures.
It's Wednesday, meaning it's hump day.
It is Wednesday. You know what it is. You know Wednesday. You know how we be doing a Wednesday hump day. You know we know. You know what we be doing. You know what?
It's hump day.
Hump day.
Hump day.
Hump day.
And
Hump day.
All right.
Sorry.
You want to say one?
It is hump day, guys. What else?
It's about to start, so I'm gonna first head to Alexa's room and then we're gonna go there. It's hump day, cause it's the day to hump. Lydia, someone's calling you. Hey girl, it's Dajah. Hold on. Your son calling. I like the tank. That little tank. I feel one. Anyways, so me, Lydia, Alexis, little photo after the night. Me, Lydia, Alexis, and my friend Dizzy, we're all going to the Riverwalk tonight. Just to get out the house. On top of that, you know, next weekend is Lydia's birthday, so we're just kind of chilling this weekend. Cause next weekend, it's going down. It's going down. It's probably gonna be the best weekend of our second semester. Yeah, best weekend of second semester. You know, my birthday was like one of the greatest weekends of my first semester. It's a good memorable weekend. But yeah, we're just waiting for Alexis now. This is my outfit. That's Lulu's outfit. We're downtown.
This is my first time, guys.
Oh yeah, her first time at the Riverwalk.
And I'm going with Dajah and 2 other people. Aren't I just lonely?
Lonely.
How y'all doing?
Oh heck. But yeah. This is where we'll be. We're following him.
That's so cute. Look at the kids.
Beautiful. Oh, love. Lonely.
I know.
Lonely. Lonely.
I hope both
Oh!
taste like
No, you know one thing that Alexis says? I'll be like, oh, they're such a cute couple. She'll be like, yeah, it'll be so sad when they break up. She do stuff like that.
so evil.
It's horrible.
Heartless.
Why don't you have a heart? We're definitely gonna go to that restaurant one day. We wouldn't be disrespected. I know, everybody wants to go there, I guess. For the experience. Huh? Wait, so you actually want to eat there? I don't think Lydia wants to eat there. So this restaurant, they supposed to like talk to you crazy, curse you out. Like the name of the restaurant is. So
Like, they just threw it.
we're here. Have a lot of fun.
That man was really speaking, like, from his heart.
What's your appetizer menu?
And that's all it is. Wait.
I don't know if mine's
decided that it would be smart to wear these out downtown in public, and we look like some fools. Look at some fools. Oh my gosh, and people keep staring at us. Like, what is going on? What? We are stupid.
Mine is falling.
So mine is too, he made mine too big. But hey, it's life. We're now back home. I just took Dizzy home. Alexa's in her room and leave her here. So, I got some great news to tell you guys. Hold on. I just need to get my life together. Anyways, so, as y'all know, I have been looking for a job for about a month now. I've been applying everywhere. Oh my God, look at this. Girl, what? Who dressed inappropriately? What?
No, just look yourself.
You see me? Alright. Anyway, so y'all know I've been looking for a job for a month. And okay, I applied. I'm trying to like get my life together. I have applied to about, well, hold on. I'm really trying to like get all this situated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I've applied to Aldo's, which I know was my, one of my top choices or wanting to work. Aldo's is definitely cricket. Sorry, I'm trying to like multitask. Okay. Anyway, so and today they called me and they said that they offered me a position. So yay! Go Dajah! I finally got a job. That's why I'm like getting ready now. I have orientation tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. So y'all, I was like, God is good. Cause honestly, I really thought I would not like get this job. Cause I thought I did like bad on the interview. And it's so funny because I thought I did good on the love coaching interview, but I didn't get it. And I was like, I could have did better on the interview but actually getting the job. And I really love how friendly and nice the manager was for the interview. I really love that. He made us feel very comfortable. So, it was a good experience, a good interview experience. So tomorrow I start. And y'all, we're gonna be on our way. I'm excited. But I have to be up at least by like 8:15 tomorrow morning to get that situated. But yeah, let me tell y'all about that restaurant we went to tonight. That little experience, girl. I don't know, it's because I was being very talkative to the waiter, but he was so mean to me. He talked about my hair. He said what did he say about my hair, girl?
Something about strings and glue. I don't know.
He was like, it looked like my hair was glued and not stringed, and it was ratchet. I was like, I thought my hair looked like tonight. I know he was just playing, but dang, like he was going off on me. But that was that. I mean, that was one of the restaurants you go to just for the experience. You don't really just go down the regular to be disrespected. Like, they are disrespectful. Disrespectful. And we was just, laughing it off. But there are times where it was just like, okay, wait a minute. But I mean, you kind of set yourself up for that, So that's that. No. How long have I been? Well, I've been here for like 2 hours now. Doing work. I have a assignment due Monday. Do we have a test on Tuesday? A speech due on Wednesday. Or economics Thursday. An economics exam on Thursday and a history exam on Tuesday. So Monday through Thursday is gonna be crazy for me. But I'm working on history now. Hold on. It's chocolate.
I give him his bottle.
Here.
And it's Dajah.
I thought you seen that picture. That's her boyfriend?
That was her ex.
I thought you seen him before.
He's been here. You talked to him. He was in our dorm.
I talked to
Yeah.
Like 20 seconds.
Yeah.
Then the whole
Look at his
that
shit.
ain't.
Can I see his
Right
snap?
before
I mean,
they broke
his
up.
what? Girl, he is cute.
Well,
That picture.
He's a little chocolate, but
it's awkward because
they broke up, right?
Yeah.
yeah.
He's steady. Oh no, his
This shit.
Yeah, he's steady.
Oh, he.
on her though.
And
Yeah.
she
I heard she did the same though.
She did the same thing.
She was.
I wouldn't cheat though. I wouldn't. That don't mean nothing. That don't mean nothing. I can't see Susie to be that.
So we decided that it'd be smart to just wash your clothes at 2 in the morning with 8 and 9 a.m. So I'm just going ahead and finish my writing homework, and yeah, we're like all washing our clothes right now, but I'm gonna finish my writing homework and I'm basically done with it. It's very hot in here. My lips are dry. My life just flies. So if you have to stay on campus, where would you stay? That's like the best idea right now.
I'll probably like apply to like an RA or something. So
Mhm.
with a purpose.
At least, yeah, get money, girl.
Paid.
I'm gonna just end it off right here because we're literally not doing anything. I'm just gonna finish my homework. But I'll see you guys next week. Next Monday. I look horrible. Yes, I do this. I got out the shower. So I had to wrap up my hair. I know guys. I know. It's getting bad. Anyways. Say bye, y'all.
Bye.
Bye.